Alright, hey guys, I'm going to show you how to complete your IOL course. So on your home page, you want to go to classes, and then this gray one, 6th online learning. You want to go there, okay, and this is what you want to make sure. Then you want to go to content at the top. And you want to make sure that you're filtering, you're going through every single thing. So first, 1.01. You're going to click on each one of these explores. Then under practice assessment tools, you're going to click that. Then you're going to click summary of lesson. When you're finished, you're going to do 1.02. You're going to explore all of these. You're going to click practice assessment tool, summary of lesson. Okay? You need to go through and click every single one of these. Okay? You also have some quizzes. Once you click in, look, quiz 1.01, are you a trivia master? Okay, here's another quiz 1.01, OMHS student survey. You're going to need to complete this, okay? So you're going to have to go through and click everything. Once you've done that, then I will give you a 100 because it's a participation grade.